Hello everyone, it's Michelle from Michelle's Ink and Stampit, and today I am here to show you my digital journaling kit that I will be using for my July design team project, which is called Simple Elegance Denim and Lace Digital Journaling Kit, and it's from Studio 28E. It has 20 journaling pages. It has 4 ephemera pages and pockets, has all kinds of stuff on it. You'll see it in a minute. And it comes in 3 PDF files that are 8.5 by 11. So here's one of the pages, and let's see if I can get this in there for you. So can you see that? It has looks like it's embossed. It's gorgeous. This has that same embossed look and has lines on it as well, and it has the little center pieces on it, which is very cute. This is gorgeous too. They're all pretty. Love the birds. Try not to miss any of the pages here. I printed this up on just regular copy paper, and it is I printed borderless, and it is on my Epson 2760 printer, EcoTank. I think it did a beautiful job. I love these old patterns. I have a vintage sewing machine that I sew on that was from the early 1900s too. Be fun to have jeans like this. Some crochet. Another lined piece with some watermarks on it and a crocheted lacy bottom to it. It does have the lines on it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Then this is beautiful. It's almost like a jelly print with the little crochet and the hearts on it. Lots of lined paper, so I know I have a friend that wants lined paper so that she doesn't write crooked. This looks like it was just torn out of a book. Another one of those. With the centers with the different background to it. I love this. I think I have a pair of pants like that. I love this too. This reminds me of like a handbag looking thing. I'd like that. And the butterflies. And here's the ephemera. I put it on my Cricut, and you'll see it when I do my journal, that I cut everything out and different shapes and stuff. And of course the denim and pearls, right? Alright, so those are the 4 pages of ephemera here that they just did. And then the 20 pages of the journal. Alright, so I will have my journal done pretty soon, and I will show that for you, and I'll put that video out real quick here. Alright. Take care. Go create something fun. We'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will put some videos over here that you might be interested in too. All right, bye.